Yeah, previously we have discussed what we have discussed previously.
Previously, view downstream and upstream.
Yeah, did you understand about downstream and upstream?
Yeah.
What is the difference between downstream and upstream?
So, if it is a upstream,
Hmm.
where the job that we are trying to run, we have to mention that job in a another job.
Okay.
And coming to downstream, it is quite reverse. We will mention the previous job in the same job itself.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So one is actually forward way, another one is reverse way. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's completely depend upon special requirement. So we can most probably in projects we can use downstream only. So because it is in a forward way.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So I'll also give some more extra details. One second. So did I share my screen? No.
No.
Okay. One second. 1 sec. Yeah. So let me share my screen. You are saying, but you are not doing. That's what you thought. Yeah. Can you see? Is it
Yeah.
visible?
Yeah. Yeah.
So try to read this because I just want you to understand very better. So if I did mistake, if I did any missed,
Upstream.
if I miss anything, it will cover all the here. You see here, upstream job. Upstream in the sense the job triggers another job. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. What is downstream job? The job gets
That
triggered by another. That's
job.
it.
Yeah.
Just simple. Uh,
Mm.
there is general English definition. So I'm giving pen or I'm giving something to you. You are taking something. What is it? The action might not changes. The meaning will not change, right? For example, I will give you something. For example, I gave you, okay, for suppose I give you one mobile phone. Okay, it means you taken mobile phone. I'm giving you, from your side you are taking, but action is same, right?
Mm.
So job A builds the code, and let's see more important, why importance, why all these things, major difference in Jenkins. Sorry, ChatGPT is also saying the same. The one initiate the workflow, which means upstream, the one initiate the workflow. Downstream means the one depends upon the upstream.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. So do, what is this for post build actions? Nothing, no need all these things. Okay, just for to show you, I just open like this. Okay, let me close this and again here. So yeah, that's it. So let's discuss about user management.
Okay.
So what is user? So we have discussed a lot things related to users and all in Linux.
Yeah.
What is user management in general?
So we have like user management.
Simple. Just try to understand through this name. User managing. You are managing the users. That's nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So whomever the users, for example, user one, user two, user three. So we have three users. So we need to manage them in the sense we need to give the permissions. We need to give the privileges. That's it.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
you need to, if you want to restrict them, you can restrict them. You can give the permissions. You can give the permissions. This is
Mm.
called as management, right? The
Yeah.
simple. Whom you are managing? You are managing the users, nothing.
Yes.
That's it. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. So we also do have users in Jenkins.
Okay.
User management. Okay. Oh, too late. Okay. User management in Jenkins. For suppose,
Mm.
uh, this is my Jenkins. Okay, this is my Jenkins. Right.
Okay.
So I have some systems, laptops, or so I have, for example, I have some users. For suppose, okay,
Okay.
these users general just leave about Jenkins for suppose. So for example, this is your administrator. For suppose, this is administrator machine. So this administrator have the all the rights, correct? So
Okay.
under this, you have different systems. Okay, so those systems, whatever the files you want to share, or whatever the permissions you want to give, for example, you have all the content inside this file, okay, this folder. If you want to see these files here in actually in Windows Server, Windows 2012 Server, 16 Server, this is things happening actually. Sharing the files using the admin system,
Okay.
correct? So this file, if you want to see here, so the whatever main admin need to give the permission here. If you give the permission, he can able to read the file. For example, if you restrict the permission, you can't read here in this system, correct?
Okay.
Internally, right?
Mm.
So in Jenkins also, oh my god, this is too slow. I don't know. Okay, I'll use different color better. It's not working. Okay, okay. So this is your Jenkins. This is your Jenkins. So in this Jenkins, you can also create the users. Okay, you can also create the users through which he can able to access this Jenkins. He can able to access this Jenkins. He can able to access Jenkins. For suppose, um, for this Jenkins job, for this Jenkins, I am as a root user. For suppose, I as
Okay.
a admin. For suppose,
Mm.
maybe some days, maybe I am not available in the team. So next person is Rakesh. Rakesh is the right person to take care.
Second level of root user.
Yeah, second level of root user, for suppose. So I, Lokesh, as admin, maybe what is this, man? I could not able to control this. One second. Let me set it. What the hell? I don't like this kind of. So one second. So sometimes it helps me, sometimes like this happens. I don't know when this will happen like this. See this? I'm not writing. I wrote this a long back.
Mm.
One second, Rakesh, just bear me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Maybe you will get irritation when you are watching, if you are watching it later this video. Anyways, yeah, yeah, just now. Okay. So the nature is not helping me actually. You, sir, still I'm writing something. You can see my screen, right? What happened to this, man? I don't know. So, if it is there, easy for me to explain. Mm, If there is no flow, you'll get irritation while watching this video later. You know, I know this. Yeah, it's okay. So you can forward it later. So whenever you watch, is it? Hmm. Okay. So if you want to get any doubts or in future also, if you want to watch this, this will be a reference for you. At that time, don't feel bad. Okay, this unnecessary disturbance, because of this unnecessary disturbance. Come on, man. It is not happening. Okay, let me stop this. Okay, so better I should not waste my time and yours time. Okay, let me go to, right. Just consider this is this is just admin. Okay, and these are user one. User one. He is user two. Okay, he is user three. Okay, so this admin, so this is actually, you can consider admin is Lokesh for suppose. Okay, this actually he is having 100% root privileges. Okay, but next admin is next, in the sense next level in that same team. So there will be hierarchy for every team, right? So next person would be, if for example Lokesh will not be stay with company always, right? So maybe as a human being he'll have a emergency works too. So whenever he is not available, so he will not give complete access to him. See, he will not give, Lokesh will not give his system to manipulate, or his system to access to Rakesh. Okay, so Rakesh, nobody will allow that actually. If Lokesh is not available, in the sense, he will give the access to Rakesh system itself. Okay, Rakesh will not allowed to use his system. Here, so the next privileges, whatever the privileges, almost equal privileges will get to Rakesh. So what Rakesh will do is, Rakesh will manage remaining users. Clear? So if you want to add, he can add. If you want to delete, he can delete. If you want to add extra user, for suppose in the same day, maybe on exactly that moment, one new guy joined in our project, for suppose. Okay. So that moment, what Rakesh has to do, Rakesh need to give the permission to so user 4. Correct. So privileges. So for that case, he should have privileges first. So that privileges Rakesh should have. So if you want to get all the permissions, the Rakesh need to create a user first. Okay. On top of user 4 name, Rakesh will create a user account, and he will add him into different groups. Clear. We can also create the groups. For suppose um, this is actually admin. Okay. Rakesh he is actually belonging to DevOps team. Okay. Now user one is belonging to um, user two is belonging to development team. Okay. And user three is belonging to testing team. Okay. And user four is belonging to testing also. For suppose is considered. Okay. He is also belonging to testing. So now two testers. Maybe we can take one more developer. Better. Okay, we are going slow. Don't worry. Better. You should understand first. Okay. He is user 5. Okay. These are all juniors. Okay. User 5 and user 4 juniors. They actually joined in the team later. For suppose. So in you, whenever Rakesh is available at that moment only, these guys joined in our team. For suppose. Okay. So now Rakesh has to give the privileges to user 4 and user 5. He is actually developer. User 5 and user 2 are developers. User 4 and user 3 are also testers, but belonging to the same team. Okay, in this Jenkins project team, for suppose Rakesh is actually he is like a root, for suppose. Okay, he is main team lead. You can say team lead. Clear? So this guy has he have privileges to create users. He has to give, for suppose development team, whatever the development team is there, this development team he has to give the permissions to read, write, execution permissions. Okay. Testing team, for suppose testing team user 4 and user 3 are there, these are all belonging to testing team. He has to create first a test group. Okay, first he has to create test group, and the development group also he has to create. Okay, first he will create a development group. They will keep into development group into user 4, user 5 and user 2 belonging to. So he will do like this. First he will create development group. Okay, so this is development group, and this is testing group. Okay, he created two groups. Correct. So once after creating two groups, he need to keep the uh, developers here. Who are there? Users. Okay, user 2 is belonging to developer group, and user 5 belonging to development group. Correct. Right, these two users are belonging to development group. Correct. And user 3 belonging to testing group, and user 4 belonging to testing group. These are all things should be done by Rakesh only. Okay, so this is a requirement actually. Okay, so user 2 and user 3 and user 4 are belonging to testing team. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm doing, right? Multi users, correct? So in this group, user 2 and user 5 are there. Okay, right? So in this group, I added two different users. In this group, I added two different users, correct? So now I added two groups and I also added. So you added two. You have created group, test group. You have created dev group. Yeah. What happened? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Rakesh. No problem. So yeah, you understood, right? This concept. So you added two different groups. These dev and testing are groups, group names. Okay, these user 2 and user 5 belonging to the development group, and user 3 and user 4 are belonging to the testing group. So and here you create, this is created by you added these users into this project. You also created this groups. Okay, so and also whenever you give this user 2 should be access this Jenkins project, user 5 should access this Jenkins project, and user 3 who is belonging to testing, he has to access this your project, your jobs. Okay, and user 4 also belong need to access Jenkins job. But user 3 and 4 should be access only testing jobs, and user 2 and user 5 should access development related jobs. Clear? This should be done by you. Understood? So this concept is called user management. User management in Jenkins. Okay? This concept called user management in Jenkins. Got it? Yeah. So can you repeat the what you understood? Can you repeat, please? Yeah. If you don't repeat means you need to understand. Hmm. 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 Yeah. So, yes, the development related jobs. They need to access only development part, and testing people should access only testing related jobs only. One should not access others. So cross access should not given to a particular groups because they are not belonging to any other groups. Clear? So we are making this separate for the save. Okay, explicitly. Okay, explicitly we are mentioning testing group separate, DevOps development group is separate because uh, we are we are protecting our jobs by doing this. We are restricting them unnecessarily. We won't give the complete permissions to anybody. right? So there's this kind of requirement you will get in future. So that's the reason I requested you to explain this. So let's do one thing. This is enough for the what I can say theory part. You can share your screen and let's do it practically. Okay? Yeah. So once you share your screen, please let me know. Yeah, let me stop sharing my screen. So shall we keep these instead of keeping user 2, user 3, user 4 like that? Shall we keep the names, name of our teammates? So admin is actually Lokesh. The admin would be always admin name only. No need to change the name. Okay. So let's keep development people. Just choose the names. Who is user one? You can keep development team. You just choose some names. Okay. So I think I want to keep uh, development to user two as I think user one is. We can keep user one as Rakesh. Okay. And user one sec Rakesh and Rakesh and please name it. I'm not remembering the names. Vasu. Vasu. Okay. Rakesh and Vasu belonging to developers. Okay. And testing I'll give the uh, names like Harish and Lokesh. I'll give like this. Okay. I'm just keeping like this. Okay. Just we need to create four users. Understood? Okay, so let's do one thing. So open your Jenkins now. Yeah, I can see your screen, but it's not opening. Hmm. Open in different browser. Try. Oh, you are doing same. Open in incognito. It's not working. Close the browser. All browsers. All browsers. Yeah. So remove the temporary files, caches. Not here in history. Delete all at once. Cache 320 MB is maintained by your browser. See, you just try to read that cached images files. Free up 321 MB. Some sites may load more slowly. Your next visit. Okay, now go and try. Okay, one second. Can you show me what is the link? Show me that link. Local. Local host 8080. Is it 8080 or 80 only? 8080 only. Okay. Why today is happening like this? Can you hear me? It's not opening. Hmm. Yeah, do it. So when did you shut down your system lastly? Previously, when did you shut down your system? Rakesh. Yeah, Rakesh. Rakesh, what happened to you, your system? Oh, is it? Today my system also like that. All Windows is happening like this. HP is only. Okay. Did you open? Share your screen. Yeah, yeah, I can see. Please make it a little bigger. Oh, once enough, enough. No, no, just go back. Yeah. Why I can see only some of the part. Let me zoom myself here. Okay, better. I think this is better. Okay. Okay. So now, so first initially, what we have to do? Mhm. Initially, what we have to do? No configuration and all. So once Rakesh, I'm also stuck with some issue. One second. Okay, fine. So first, initially, in Jenkins, we do have settings. Okay, there is a gear icon. I've already told you, explained you earlier. Gear icon. Let's go one by one. Let's go one by one. So first, initially, just click on gear icon. It's okay. Let me navigate. So how did you go? Show me. Okay, manage users or what? Users. But earlier this name was manage users. Yeah, yeah. Just here, you just try to create users. How many users you have? For development team, just forget about development team first. First, you will need to create a users. Then username is Rakesh. No, no, no. Admin, just keep it as admin is like that. Or admin is not going to play any role here. Let's use your name also. So I'm not getting names. Rakesh. Just keep password 12345. That's it. Or you can, yeah, enough. I think 12345 is enough, right? Next, full name. If you want, you can give. Otherwise, just leave it. Full name you can give Rakesh. Your full name you can give your name and your password. Give your password. Yeah. Create user. Good job. Next, create and one more user is Lokesh. Give. No, no, no. Lokesh is okay. 12345. Okay, confirm password 12345. Full name Lokesh Kumar. Yes. Email address Lokesh DevOps 92 at gmail.com. Gmails. Yeah, yeah. And yeah, these are all developers. We need testers. Okay, Harish. You can keep Harish. You can give here 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. Full name Harish. Job. Okay, anything. Yeah. Yeah, Harish at gmail.com. Yeah, next you can give Vasu, huh? You can give Vasu, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vasu make Vasu Kumar, very good. Okay. Vasu at gmail.com. Yeah, create user. So you created users, very good. Awesome. Now, if you want to, if for example you are in home, okay, you are at home. If you want to see all the users, how will you go? Same there only, right? Yeah, you can see the users here. Okay. Okay, now open incognito mode, incognito, and accept, try to access Vaso first. Localhost, you remember, right? All okay. So Vasu, is that capital letter or small letter? You mentioned. Yeah, I got it right. See, you can see all the jobs so far, and which means can you try to run Java project job? You could, you can do it because by default, this is an important point. Whenever you create the user, you will get by default you will get all the privileges, all the access. Okay, this is important point. If you create a user and leave it in the sense, he can do whatever he want. He can make it mess up. Okay. So again, try to take incognito again. So try to log in with other Rakesh user. You need to log out here. If you are using in the same browser, you need to log out. Otherwise, it will show the same name. Yeah, Rakesh with password. Yeah. So from yeah, which means you can able to open, you can able to log in with the users, correct? Great. Now, what you have to do is, first of all, you just created all the users. That's really well and good. Okay. So, first, user 1 and 2, 3, 4 can do anything because by default you will get all the privileges. You, in the sense, all the users will get all the privileges, all the access, complete permissions they will have. For that, we need to restrict the permissions for the users. This is what you're going to do right now. Okay. If you want to restrict, so first of all, you need to install one plugin. That plugin name is role based authorization strategy in admin. Go admin. In go admin. Is this admin? Go inside admin. I think you are using Edge browser, right? Oh, that's good. Go to plugins first. Plugins. Yeah, there is a plugins on top of the line. Yeah. So update all the plugins, or else you just whatever you want you can do it. It will take some time. It's okay. Okay. Can you duplicate it? Yeah. Restart. Just refresh the page. So refresh the page. You restarted, right? Go to plugins again. Available plugins. Yeah, it's okay. 100%. That's okay. Fine. No need to waste time on this. What I said, uh, I've forgotten the name. Role based something. Role based authentication. Type role based authentication something. Role based. Yeah, I got it right. That is the one, first one. Yeah, install it. Which means you are just installing the plugin. Yeah, we can manage users. We can give the restrictions. We can give the permissions. We're using that plugin only. Okay, restart it. It's done. Okay. So what next? So just you restarted, right? Next, go to all the settings where you got settings icon. Yeah, go to all the settings. Now you will find security somewhere. In security, just open this. Yeah. Wait. In this, while you are scrolling, you can able to see any authentication somewhere. Authentication. Can you authentication? Correct. Authentication. Fine. Authorization. Authentication. Authorization. Authorization. Yeah. Scroll. Just drop down that authorization. You see. Try to redo. Read anyone can do anything, legacy mode, logged in users can do anything, and matrix based security, project based matrix authorization strategy, and role based strategy. Just click on role based strategy. Okay, so now just apply and save it. Okay, so no, that's fine. So we have to give the roles now. Roles in the sense, in our case, we have already discussed. Okay, what are the roles? One is actually global role. Okay, global role. Yeah, actually, this word I forgot actually. Okay, that is the reason I just mentioned earlier. Admin, some kind of. Okay, so here, let me share my screen. No need, right? So just I'll change global range. Global. That role is called as global. Okay, global role. First one role will be there. That is actually global role. Okay. Next, remaining roles are two different roles. One is tester role and other one is developer role. Correct. So first, in global role, okay, we do have actually some developers and testers for Harish. Sorry, for Harish, Rakesh, Lokesh, Vasu. So for these guys will comes under global role, and also these guys will be comes under roles. Okay. So let's see while you are creating these roles, you can understand that. Okay. First, first let us create a roles first. Okay. So we have to create the roles, and after that we need to attach those permissions. Okay, we do have, that's what I'm saying, don't confuse, we do have a global role and normal roles. You understood? So first we will create it. Go to Jenkins settings, gear icon. Here you just find somewhere manage and assign roles. You got it right? That is just that. Wait, go back. So you will not generally get this. Okay, whenever you role based authorization strategy, only whenever you install that plugin only you will get see this, you will see this. Understood? That is for that purpose only, to get this one only we have done all these things. Got it? Yeah, so now just click on this option. You could see, so see this, all, for all admin have, or administrator have administration permission. Administrator in the sense it has everything. That's it. See, initially if you see the admin, all the administrator permission, administrator nothing but it has everything, root permissions. So you need to, what you need to do is say here, just you need to, mm, here only you need to create, this guy only can do, the admin only can do anything. So if he can only create the users. Correct. Okay. So first what we will do is, this is manage role. So yeah, here we will create, this is full permissions you got 100%, that's good. But we need to create employees also. So who are the employees? Tell me the names. Yeah, try to add role. Role is, you can do one thing. First we will do one thing. so we wait here. We need to create employees role. So let's do one thing. We will create employees. This is one role. Type here employee. Admin is a kind of one kind of role. Employee. Okay, employee. You typed right. That's good. So yeah, save. I guess better. You add it. Just add it. Oh, that's good. Employee got created, right? Okay, that's fine. So now you got one thing. 1 second. For employee, you just give the permissions. View permission only, so, which means you scroll left side. Not there. Not there. Not there. Scroll. Yeah, you see here. View is there at view columns. So there are overall credentials, agent, job, run view, SCM and metrics. Actually, metrics is a new one. Okay, metrics is a new one. I am not asking you to check out this view in metrics. I am not asking you. Just uncheck this. You selected in metrics, not there. In the top line, horizontal, you could see C. You could see view. Horizontal, you could see view. Just try to look at entire box. First one is overall, second one is credentials. Yes, that is a view. In views, you can see read, delete, all this, right? You can give the create, delete, read permissions. That's it. Employee has these permissions only. So far in my project, I'm only allowing them. That's it. Okay. Now save. Yeah, save and apply. So now this is actually employee is a global role. Clear? This employee you can consider as a global role. Such kind of roles you can keep many more. So far for us for our project you can say that is enough. Okay. Now the global role is okay. Next, we need to create a specific roles. First, this is called as global role. Next, developers tester is called as specific role. Here, that you can call normal role, you can call specific role. So you need to create a first developer role. Okay. Scroll down. 1 second. 1 second. Items role, right? Item roles only. You can item roles. You can consider this as a specific role. Okay. Item roles. Yeah. In item roles, you just give the developer complete name. Complete name developer. TV developer. Yeah, that's it. Scroll down. A pattern. Yeah, pattern in the sense, for example, you want to add the name complete dev related people. Okay, dev capital D E V dev capital D E V dev and star dev dot star. This is a pattern actually. Okay, if you give this star is called as actually regular expression. We can call this as a regular expression. Okay, if you give star dev related information, for suppose developer the name with the extension anything, developer Lokesh, developer Rakesh, developer XYZ, developer ABCDFG HYZ, something like that. If it is any name with the continuous dev star, it automatically take related to dev related. Clear? So that is a purpose. Okay. Next, apply and save. Not required. Permission. What is permission templates? Can you show me? Drop down. This I didn't do. I think this is new option, man. Okay, newly added this one. Okay. Now, wait. Now. In item role, you can keep tester also. For tester also, do the tester. It will be added. Wait, it will also show. It just added. That's it. Add one more tester. Tester. It will not show in the global. Item roles is separate, so it will show you. Okay. So tester, you can keep T E S T capital. Yes, test, comma, sorry, dot and star. Yeah, you can do it. Good job. Save. Save. That's it, right? We have only permissions, tester and developer only, right? We have only two specific roles. Okay. Okay. Developer pattern capital DEV dot start, apply and save. Yeah, add, apply and save. You done. Yeah, good job, man. So first, you after adding this, you need to give all the permissions to here. All check mark. Create all. Give all. So developer related all permissions you are giving. In global permissions, you give only view only. Understood? Globally, you just allowed only view to read and all. Okay. For tester role based, you are giving all the permissions. Okay. Okay. Check mark all. Don't skip. Just do it. For tester also. If you want DevOps roles, anything extra roles also you can do it here. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So here, okay, that's fine. Next, 1 second. Apply, do it. No problem. Save, apply and save. Okay. So assign roles, left side you see assign roles. Click on that. You see this? Come on, man. You got it. You see this? You see here. 1 second. Don't scroll. Please wait. Yeah. See here. User group, admin and employee. Employee you only created, right? Admin actually default, but employee is actually global role. This global role is created by you only. Clear? So now what I have actually whatever your user's name you created, that user's name will be displayed here if you add here. Add the users here. Rakesh is actually admin. Okay. But you see here Lokesh type Lokesh. 1 second. No. 1 second. Not like that. So I need to add in roles. In roles already Rakesh is there. Okay, you just give the users whatever we give the permission or not later. Okay, you can add Lokesh Kumar, you can add Harish, you can add Vasu also. It doesn't matter whether you give the permission or not, but you can able to create roles here. Create it, right? Okay. Homan, Rakesh, Lokesh, Harish, right? Yeah, save. No, scroll down. Okay. Wait. Don't do anything. Just don't do anything. Just scroll it down and try to check that. That's it. Okay. 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 Now apply and save. We'll do it one by one. No. Wait. So what we will do is first you just give the permission to wait. Wait, Rakesh. Assign roles. Go to assign roles. Yeah, here. What happened? Where the users you added, but you did not apply and save. You did not apply and save, right? It's gone. Okay. So yeah, we'll do one thing. Yeah. Vasu, where is Vasu? Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Save this. Now what you will do is assign roles. Go to assign roles. Yeah, it's not. Oh, yeah, do it again. Vasu. Next. Harish. See, even if you go type only Vasu, also it is taking complete name. Did you see? Yeah, Lokesh. Yeah, it is taking complete name. You can select employees only. Vasu and Harish also. Rakesh also, no? I think no need, right? We will. Okay, okay. That is different with name Rangoli, right? So Rangoli. Sorry, sorry for wrong pronunciation. And yeah, yeah, that's good. Now you check. You got it right. Good catch. That's fine. So let's do one thing. So you just created, right? Just try to log in with Vasu right now. So in different incognito. Vasu. Yeah. Now enter 1 2 3 4 5, right? See. So you can't do anything now. Access denied. Clear? You can't do anything with Vasu users. Earlier you could see everything. Correct? So not only Vasu, you can for Lokesh also, Rakesh other user also, and Harish user also. You can't do anything. That will be displayed like this only for them also. Okay. So let's do one thing. Um, in admin, let's create one job, new job. Okay, that is called as a job name. You can keep uh, DevOps project or Dev project, something kind of Dev project or DevOps project like that. Project. Wait. So we are going to take freestyle. Take freestyle. Mm, you can copy, but how? Come down. Scroll down. Scroll down. We are not doing anything here. Just we need to use bash build step. You can use shell batch command. Windows command, you know, right? Echo e capital not work. Echo apostrophe not quotes, in between quotes you can say hi or hello. Save, apply and save. Right? Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, well, that's fine. Uh, it's got success. That's good. Okay, you created dev, right? So who is developer? Who is developer? Developers are we didn't add it. First, we will do that first. Assign roles. In assign roles, I think manage roles, assign roles, and how many? Manage roles, assign roles, role strategy. 1 second, 1 second. We have to do something here. Scroll down. Assign roles. Assign roles are there, right? Uh, right. Give it. Add here. What is develop? Dev. No. Here actually we need to give assign item roles in the sense developer and tester, right? Okay. Yeah. So here you need to give add Rakesh, Vasu, Lokesh, and other Rakesh. other Lokesh. So give all and try to assign them separately. Harish. Right. What? Vasu, Lokesh, and Rakesh also. Yeah. Now just bifurcate now. Who is developers here? Dev. Yeah. Do it. Apply and so now both developers are bifurcated. Okay. And testers also bifurcated. Okay. Apply and save. Just do apply and save. Okay. So you created a job along with the developer, right? Can you try to create a job related to tester? Test. So the name is important, okay? Test. Test project. Mm, that's it. Okay, no space. Okay. Yeah, save. Now, can you try to log in with the developer guy? Any forgot who is developer here. Yeah. Vasu, try to log in with Vasu. I think we should capital. Missing the overall read permission. Okay. Okay. So can you give the permissions there? Go to admin. I mean, let us allow read permission then. Okay. We blocked everything, I guess. So now here for employees, right? No. For employees only. For employees, open read permission you given already. Okay. So let's left side. Let us come from the starting. Give overall read permission. I think that's the one. One second. One second. My laptop is getting shut down. So first, what do one thing. Overall read permission we blocked. Right. That is the reason. Just save it. That's it. Apply and save. Now try to access slow Vasu. Now refresh this. Enter. You got it right. Now you got. See, only Vasu can see DevOps project. What about other projects? It's gone. The test project we created already we have existed projects which is Java related projects are all there, Maven related projects are there, jobs related projects are there, but you could not able to see the dev other projects, right? Can you try to access with any tester in the pattern you mentioned, right? Dev. That is the reason he could see only dev project. That is the reason they will follow the name convention. So who is the tester? Rakesh. Yeah, see what he can see. Only testing project only he can able to see, right? So this is how we can able to use user management, and we can able to manage the roles, global roles and the specific roles, item roles. So by using this, we can able to manage the users in the projects. We cannot give all the privileges on the Jenkins. If okay, that's it. And so if you give the permissions to Lokesh, Harish, and Rakesh also, they can do it. They can see everything. Okay, you want to check that, you can check also. You got it right. So what is the time now? 5:29. Better we need to close, I guess, because due to some technical glitches, it took too much long today. Okay, so I don't want to continue with new concept. Actually, we uh, user management completed, but by using this user management, we have some other things to do. Okay, actually, worker node, master nodes are there, right? So we created users. By using users, we can do multiple things. Not only that, we just seen that how to create users, how to add the roles, how to create a global roles, how to assign items to the how to add the items. Okay, how to assign the roles to the users. This is what we have seen only. Right. Let and also we have created two different projects, which is one is related to dev and the another one is related to tester. So why tester only can see the tester job? If I ask the question, how can you answer? Yeah, test and star extra regular expression. Okay. In dev for dev people, we have mentioned dev dot star, which means it will consider only dev related projects only for them, because we are specifically mentioned these guys only will access only this type of pattern only. So we specifically mentioned we are allowing only such a certain area. Correct. So that is what we have done. So next what we will do is we will create some jobs. Okay. And we will try to bifurcate. So no, we don't use users. Okay. But what we will do is next time what we will do is we will create master and worker nodes. And in the sense master, in the sense he is the main, under him nodes will work. For example, there is a construction building man. In the construction building, so there are some different kind of teams will be there. For example, electrical team is there, mechanical team is there. Okay, for electrical people, they have a skilled people, right? One supervisor will be there. Under supervisor, they'll have a like technicians will be there. Okay, senior technician, junior technician, or welders, something kind of. Okay, so however these technicians and welders and some helpers will work under this supervisor. Supervisor is a main guy, for suppose. Okay, that under supervisor, however these workers are working same way, we need to bifurcate in the projects. Okay, so if you bifurcate like this, the projects, the build projects, whenever you run all the projects, it will distribute the load in between two different worker node and master node. So, for example, if you don't do create like this, if you want to run the 10 to 50, not 10, 100 projects, for suppose, if you want to do this, um, generally Jenkins will allow you only two jobs at a time by default. Okay, these things we will discuss in next class. So master related, node related, how to create it, how to bifurcate it. So we are going to see that next class. Okay. Fine, Rakesh. I hope you enjoyed this class. So please do practice. If you enjoy in the sense, next time you should not get deleted. Sorry, should not get forget. Do practice. There are. This is only declarative part of Jenkins. Declarative part, it's easy for you. Everybody can do anything. Okay, if you do practice, you will get the questions. If you get the question, please write it down and try to go and solve. Just go to the community and ask them, and go to ChatGPT, ask them. Okay, you need to note it down. You need to prepare interview questions and all. If you do like this, then you will get best practice. Okay, fine, Rakesh. Thank you. Thanks for